dele thari nga Sonlabu se ni dina la labu kauda beats lura beats chera di daikon ni tsage ni disney chu kwe ba thanda ni thari Gyuma is saying in the storage. Today we are going to make Tibetan sausage, and we're cleaning the Gyuma in this thing. Thin. Chulud. Chulu share nkora dura. So we're cleaning the guts of the intestine. So here we already washed because it was soaked in salt. Now I'm draining the salt into a clean container. So squeezing all these salted. So I didn't add any water, it's just the natural water from the daikon and the beetroot. Squeeze it out. It's I call it Tibetan kimchi, or you can call fermented, whatever you like. This in Tibetan it's called Sonlabu. This tirra. So I'm going to add this sauce or marinated. It's a whole black pepper, salt, sugar, and vinegar. I boiled it and cooled down. I'm gonna add this thing. And then you can add fresh water. And I need garlic. So I'm gonna add more powder base black pepper on the top. And then stir it inside and leave it for 2 or 3 days depending on the weather. We live in Southern California, so pretty okay. It should be rise in 2 or 3 days. Okay, if you have hot pepper, you can add it. If not, it's fine. And now close it. And this one. इसका देखा दिया वो या नमश okay या कुछ क्या था पर
So here's my fermented Sonlabu. So I'm putting it under the sun, so it's fermented faster. Today the weather is a little windy, so we'll see. Windy and sunny. So I'm gonna use Mother Nature wisely. So here we go. First day. So all the casing, sausage casing, is cleaned now. So now we're ready to fill. So we're gonna make the stuffing. So we're just getting the water out, and then in that it's a hog sausage casing. It comes with about 15 casing. So I'll show you our recipe.
so this is the ground beef and we're adding ragi flour or you can add sampa. So we have ragi flour at the moment, so about 2 handful of ragi and then we're gonna add rice, boiled rice, that did. So we don't have a good measurement, about 3 rice, and then we're gonna add garlic and ginger paste that we already made it, about 2 spoons, and black pepper, it's already grounded, 1 teaspoon mangslut the diet, and then soy sauce, dark diluge. This is very light soy sauce, should be enough. Diet this can so here's the salt, and then now we're gonna add 1 scoop of blood. Oh, it's chimba. I mean 2 scoop at least. So now we're gonna mix all together. So we added more scoop of the blood.
Okay, we are ready. So, double garnish. We're making the knot again. All right. Some oil. Find the end. There you go. Oh. Oh my god, long way to go, guys.
So we already filled the sausage. So here's our final, and after that we're gonna steam it like momo, like dumplings, about 15 to 20 minutes. So this is how it looks. Ni gyuma yang chai ani thanda ya moktuna la kabya imba kama chonga nishus ani inde dore ani thanda moktuna la kapti kal tiongo. So this is ready to steam. So we put in a steamer momo lusana moda shile. So let's check. Okay, so it's ready to steam it. So the next batch. So we're gonna steam for about 15 to 20 minutes. Karsa Gyuma sasha sasha in the storage. Oh yeah, which is minda. So looks good. So it's already steamed for 20 minutes. Kali lakpit no lakpit. Good. Chamji khwada. Chamji sadi. Mare mare. Kali. Tadi in the earthworm dauda. Looks like earthworm. Oh, do is a re. Ale do minda. So under the look to the college. Which must do it.
I do it, you must have said.
2 more to go. So it filled pretty good. The Tibetan sausage steaming, so we have to cool it down for a while, and then we're gonna stir fry with there's that traffic bell pepper. Yeah, Gyuma the last. So there you go, our Gyuma. In Tibetan it's called Gyuma. So looks like earthworm. Just check. Yabu besha lana kangsha. Itangi dimgire samsa. So there we go, and we're gonna cool it down. So I'll show you in a minute. Okay, so now my sausage is cooled down. Ni Gyuma 장무차 차샤 따디 뚝인 뚝인바 뚝니 단다 짜이. Yeah, we are going to saute the samudika. Bebe. Please. So we added ginger garlic paste. So now we added the classic bell pepper. So it gives a nice color, so vibrant color.
Now we add the sausage. So it looks so beautiful. Otherwise, red, green, yellow, orange, and dark black sausage. And you can saute for a minute, and then that's it.